Dumelang ditsala. Go borokonyana man, dumelang ditsala. Go tile go na le badiragatsi mo, actors are present. A ke re dumelang ditsala ke batla go lutla man. Dumelang ditsala. Dumelang ditsala. Yeah man, a re ketekeng botshelo ba ga motobetso. Aka tiro ya ka gompieno nnyane fela ke go tla go le balla botshelo ba ga tobetsa. The reason why we're doing this is go na le batho ba ba mo itseng from a distance a kere. Ha ba mo itse ka rona ba ileng gore ra mo itse, so ke go le tlhalosetsa fela gore tobetsa ene le motho ileng gore o ntseng yang. And then immediately after that there's a letter from Shalane, a vote of thanks that we're going to do immediately after this. Tla be re leboga batho ba ileng gore ke kgale ba le teng, ke batho ba ileng gore ke kgale ba re thusa. Presley Chweneyagae was born on October 19th, 1984 in Mahikeng, Northwest Province, South Africa. Named after his mother's favorite singer, Elvis Presley, he was encouraged from a young age to pursue acting as a means to avoid a life of hardship. He began attending children's drama classes at the age of 10 through the Northwest Arts Council. Now it's called the Mabana Arts, Culture and Sports Foundation. His passion for acting led him to further training under stage director Mpumelelo Paul Grootboom, where he honed his skills in various theatrical productions. Chweneyagae's acting journey commenced in community theater, where he showcased his versatility in numerous stage productions. His notable productions or performances include roles in Shakespearean plays such as Hamlet, Julius Caesar, and A Midsummer's Night's Dream. He also co-wrote and starred in the acclaimed stage play Relativity, which received international recognition and was later published as a book. His commitment to theater remained evident throughout his career, including directing the award-winning play called Cell Number 4. Chweneyagae gained international acclaim with his debut feature film role as a lead in Tsotsi. This was in 2005, and it was directed by Gavin Hood. The film, based on Ethel Fugard's novel, tells the story of a young gang leader transformation after he inadvertently kidnaps a baby. Tsotsi won the Academy Award for Best Foreign Language Film in 2006, marking a significant milestone for South African cinema. Following Tsotsi, he appeared in several films, including More Than Just a Game, State of Violence, Africa United, Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. In television, Chweneyagae was best known for his role as Tuso Kobrizi Mokoena, in the popular South African telenovela called The River, which aired from 2018 until 2024. His portrayal earned him critical acclaim and multiple awards. He also featured in other TV productions such as 90 Plain Street and Tula's Vine. Chweneyagae's consistent portrayal of shoes across the Inamba Namba franchise highlights his ability to bring depth and authenticity to complex characters, solidifying his status as a prominent figure in South African cinema. Throughout his illustrious career, Chweneyagae received numerous accolades. Tsotsi won Best Foreign Language Film at the 78th Academy Awards. Black Movie Awards, there he got Outstanding Performance by an Actor in a Leading Role for Tsotsi. Best Actor for Tsotsi at the Bangkok International Film Festival. Best Actor for Tsotsi at the Mons International Film Festival of Love Films. For the South African Film and Television Awards, he got Best Actor, Feature Film for Tsotsi in 2006, got Best Actor, Telenovela for The River in 2019, and he was nominated for Best Actor for a telenovela for The River in 2020 and 2021. For the Royal Soapy Awards, he got Outstanding Lead Actor for The River. Moshapile matsogo. Beyond his acting career, Chweneyagae was dedicated to mentoring aspiring artists and was involved in initiatives aimed at uplifting disadvantaged communities through the performing arts. He founded the Presley Chweneyagae Foundation, which focuses on helping poor communities in South Africa using the performing arts. The foundation reaches out to people from disadvantaged places and backgrounds nationwide, especially in rural areas, by uplifting aspiring actors through workshop and street talks by professional performers. On May 27th, 2025, Presley Chweneyagae passed away at the age of 40 due to respiratory complications. His death was met by widespread mourning and tributes poured in from across the nation. Presley Chweneyagae's journey from community theater to international acclaim stands as a testament to his talent, dedication, and the power of storytelling. His legacy continues to inspire actors and audiences alike. So now, ke tlo go bala lekwalo la ditebogo just from the family, from Shalane, the people that have been there, the people ba e leng gore kgale ba tla go tshedisa, ba thusa mo e leng gore ba ka thusa mo teng since re utlwile dikgang tse. A vote of thanks on behalf of Shalane Chweneyagae. The hospital, CPTA, West Hospital, the community of Hester Park for your support, the South African Youth Movement Foundation, the Morgan Motlhal, My Soul Foundation, the South African State Theatre, standing ovation, Mr. Aubrey Sekhabi, particularly Mr. Aubrey Sekhabi, for being a father figure to the late Presley, a role model in the art industry. He played a mentorship role which made him to unleash his full potential. Ke a dumela baitso. Aubrey Sekhabi. We'd like to thank Tedza Pictures, Quizzical Pictures, MLA, that's his agency, the agency that represented him, Tabiso, the funeral planner, for his ability to plan the entire flow of events and ensuring that everything goes as planned. I'd like to pause there. When we started this celebration, this memorial service, we had a bit of a problem, seating arrangements and stuff like that. We're trying to control people to come in. Please don't blame Tabiso. Don't blame us. Don't blame the State Theatre. This man was loved so much. Everyone wants to be here. The family from Swaziland, I'd like to apologize to you. I know you came so far to come and support Shalane, to come and celebrate the memory of Presley Chweneyagae. And some of you didn't find, like, sitting arrangements were tough. Sorry. The agency, MLA, the artists that came that were on the list that couldn't find seating, sorry. The giant has fallen and a lot of people came to support him. Now we know that on Saturday we need to be prepared. Now we know that tomorrow when people come to come and pay their last respects at the house, what we need to do, we need to extend our capacity. I just wanted to apologize there because I know some people were very angry because they couldn't see it. They are standing and they come from far and they want to support. The Cartel Funeral Home and Cartel Events and Catering team, from the drivers to the morticians to the deco team, chefs, graphic designers, the media team for the outstanding contributions for Presley's memorial and funeral service. Now I'm speaking as Shalane. She says, I want to thank my mother-in-law, Mama Agnes Kiagile, for your undying support. My parents, Mr. and Mrs. Allen and Rose Kirk, for being there throughout. My brother-in-law, Rioboni Chweneyagae. My sister-in-law, Mutsidisi Geli Mukwena. My sister Ndumiso, for being my pillar of strength and my go-to girl during this difficult time. Busi Nyoni, Edi Nyoni, and Mzwakes Gula for their support. My entire Eswatini family, Bianca Mabandla, Masuku. The list is endless, but I'm truly, truly, truly grateful for the support you have shown me. Flora Magashula and family for their undying support. I'd also like to thank our MCs for the stellar job. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is from Chweneyagae, Presley's wife. Thank you so much.